There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. This is the last video I'm making for today. Whatever day that'll be for you, it's the weekend for me. I'm cleaning my bench. I got, God knows what the hell kind of dust this is. Got some toxic fucking powder all over my bench. I was grinding, you probably already know because by the time I put this video up, the other video will be up. So I was grinding a frying pan. So I'm pretty sure there's aluminum, there's probably some copper, a little bit of Teflon in here from one side, and some other fucking toxic shit. I was wearing a breathing mask, so don't worry. It's still floating in the air a little bit. So yeah, what was I gonna say? I was cleaning this shit up. I think I do more cleaning videos because for every video I record, I gotta clean up after. So there's like one and one. But yeah, just messing around here, make a short little video. Oh, I forgot to show last time. I wanted to do a show. I found another one of these screwdrivers. It was $5 at the pawn shop, and it's just me. My dad used to have these. I think I explained that in our video. But yeah, this one, it came with all the original, well, some of them. This is a non-original, but this one is a Phillips. Phillips number 3 Cluth Canada alloy. I've never seen this kind. See, it has the name in it, and these must be like, there we go. That one is Phillips number 1. These ones don't have the, they must have been aftermarket bits, but see these, but those two in this here, or these 3, see? Phillips number 1, 2, and 3. The Phillips ones are original, just a little uni driver. I think I have 3 of them now, of the green ones. I seen it, I was like, oh, I have them. These are cool. So I had to buy it. They're never in good shape. They're always used and abused, but they're fun little things. So anyway, that's all I want to say. Of course, can't get the damn thing back in here. I'm hoping my new microphone doesn't suck that bad. It had a little bit of a glitch a while ago. So yeah. Perfectly good screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and enjoy.